What's going on, guys? Happy Thursday. Look around me, man. So I'm in Midtown right now. I just came from Buckhead to get my allergy shots, but it's such a nice day. And I don't know what he was shouting. It's been a weird day. I made 2 previous videos and I don't know, I didn't end up liking them for some reason. It's weird. Some days I just make videos and I don't like them, and that's a rare occurrence. I say that like some days. That's a rare occurrence. Almost every single day I do a one-shot. DGR would say a one-shot Johnson. Knock him out. But today, I don't know. It just didn't jive with me, man. So I'm walking home for a minute to grab some food, and it's cooled down, at least today. So I may go back out later, but it's been a weird day, man. I'm getting a new phone. I'm not gonna say which one it is, but it's supposed to be really good for videos, and I need some good quality videos, man. So we shall see. Look forward to that. Better quality. Third bean of the day. This first 2 beans, which don't count, unfortunately, we're both stinky socks, of course, right? Because if you get that bean, what are the odds it's gonna be Tutti Frutti? There are no odds. Always stinky socks. But this bean right here, is this barf or is this peach? Comment below. Let's eat some beans. Of course. What do you guys think it is? You know, it's.
That's alright.
Barf.
What I did is I bought one
But I'm actually gonna stop by the store real quick and head home for a bit. And before I do that, though, let's look around me, guys. It's such a nice day, and it's not that hot right now. You can honestly not beat this. I was getting really tired of the heat, but this really sort of pumped me up again. So anyway, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I love you. God bless you. Stay fresh.